Hi everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark. In this video we're going to do a gorgeous love heart design using acrylic powder and builder gel. So we're going to start by painting our full tip Snow White 2 coats. So because I've had a sore throat for, well, it's not even sore, it's just weird, and I've got a bit of a cough for like a week. I sound sexy as and I probably love it, and soon I'm going to have my shit voice back. I'm going to be sad. I can even sing, you know. I can sing a bit.
You?
Yeah, a bit. I sound better than I did.
Maybe it's just blocked your ears too.
Fuck you, Drew. But I ruined it for me there. So we've done 2 coats of white on this now, so we're going to use ultra matte top coat. So now we've done the matte top coat, we're going to use pure purple acrylic powder, top banana, pink flamingo, and Twisted Tango Shimmer. And we're just going to press these colours into the white. So we'll start with the pink. Press it in. Orange. Green or yellow. And purple. And just dust those off. Those. And we're going to take our builder gel, Poltergeist and Clear as Day. Poltergeist is like a translucent white, but I want the white to be a bit more translucent than that, so I'm going to mix it with Clear as Day. And we're going to just do some parts on this. So we'll do a little V. And as we found out, the best thing to do is flash cure each one because we made a mess of it the first time. We're going to pop some dots in between these hearts as well now, so just to give it a bit more detail. Full cure when you're happy. Right, now we've fully cured this, you need to take a lint-free wipe and some gel residue. Wipe off solution. Wipe over the whole thing. Get rid of all that in between. And voila, we're left with the pretty of hearts.
Does Builder need top coat?
No, Builder does not need top coat. I'm not very happy with how the purple one turned out, but you can do whatever colours work for you, can't you? Doesn't look the best at the bottom, does it? But
yeah,
the other ones
a bit
are
grey,
cute.
hasn't it?
Yeah. Hope you all enjoyed that video. All the products we use will be listed down below. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.